Drop your guys down. Right, pick up and give. Alright, you will also notice that after each completion of an exercise, their trunks would go up and then the grooms, they would reward them. Talk. Alright guys, that sound, that is what we call talk or talking. It's commonly known as a tummy rumble, but that actually comes from the lungs and then just gets amplified by the trunk. Right front foot up. Hey, Shamari. Left back foot up. Turn right. Two left feet up. Cross feet up. Well done. Girls, turn left. Right, as you guys saw just now, they very well know the difference between left and right, front and back, and then of course using one leg versus both of them. Now these are our two young girls. The one on the right hand side, her name is Andile. She's 25 years old, and Andile means to multiply. Then we've got this little one here on the left. She is Lindiwe. Now Lindiwe means the girl that we've been waiting for. But she's only 21 years old. And being the baby girl in this group, believe me, she can become a bit of a drama queen sometimes. Girls, check. Check again. Good girls. Zizzy, to left. Alright guys, so this is our youngest bull. He's 25 years old and his name is Zizi. Zizi, can you say hello to the guest? Hello my boy. Hello. Shamwari, to the left. Alright, so this is our middle bull. He's 28 years old and his name is Shamwari. Now Shamwari means friend in Shona language. Is your name Shamwari? Yes. Well done. Table, Alright guys, so this is our big bull. And his name is Tembo. Now Tembo means elephant in Swahili language. The language which is used way up in Eastern Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, and then of course Congo or the DRC. Now guys, Tembo is only 38 years old. And like I said earlier on, he already weighs a bit more than 7 tons. But he's still growing. They can grow till about 45, 46 years of age. He really is a very big elephant. Tembo talk. Walk again. Zizi, Tembo. Back up. Girls, back up. January, back up, my boy. Oh, salute. Well done. Thank you very much. Let's give them a hand.